Level measurement can vary from very simple water applications to really difficult conditions where the process conditions is changing. It could be very high temperatures, pressures, you could have multiple levels, you could have sediment build up, or you can have a need for very high accuracy, for instance. We're trying to help our customers to solve these key challenges in all these tricky applications by applying new technology, coming up with new solutions for the really hard to solve applications. One example is separator applications. It's always tricky to separate oil and water, and one of the advancements that we have made there for our Rosemount 5300 series Gadget Wave Radar is that we have added capabilities to detect thinner layers, which provides a more reliable measurement. Well, the benefit of that is that you will have a greater reliability, and you will also have a better output from your separation process. Another solution that we came out with quite recently is the Rosemount 2140 point level detector. And the point level detector is typically used just to detect a level at a certain point. But this specific model can do so much more. It can help our customers not only to detect a level at a certain point, but also it can help the customers to detect the difference between oil and water. So it could be used as a point level detection between oil and water separation. It can also be used as a sediment detector, so it can detect the difference in between water and sand, for instance. One area is overfill prevention, where we have very good solutions already. But sometimes our customers, they want to use ordinary level monitoring instruments also for making their process more safe. And there we have made some advancements, making proof tests available also for the standard level measurement instruments to help them make run their process more safely. And one more example of these great innovations is our non-contacting radar products. Typically, guided wave radars are used in many applications, and they can do a lot of things, but there are certain applications where you don't want to have something that's sticking into the liquid like a probe. The media can be abrasive, it can be, you can have a need to shut off the process, etc. And that's where a non-contact radar makes a perfect fit. And with non-contacting radar, since it has nothing that is in contact with the process fluid, it's very easy to install. We've also made it very simple to commission the device by really user-friendly interfaces. When the customers interact with the unit, they get guided through the very simple setup. We're addressing a lot of different challenges, and another one is differential pressure level measurement. And the specific problem there is that you could have a lot of maintenance issues with traditional capillaries, and that creates lots of headaches for our end users. They want to have it more simple to use. Here we have developed the electronic remote seals, or electronic remote sensors, which allow the customers to get as good level measurement, but it's more easy to use, more easy to commission, and it gives a better reading. And finally, we have challenges that our customers face in tank farms and refineries. They have very high requirements for accuracy, but in a lot of these places, the equipment is quite old, and they are relying on outdated technologies. Here we have developed emulation protocols that actually allows the end user or the customer to install a newer technology device without having to upgrade their complete system. So they can do the upgrade piece by piece instead of having to rip everything out. If you want to find out more about level measurement solutions, join the discussion at Emerson Exchange 365.